cutting it at that angle, bro.
They're not around.
Keep cutting it at that angle, otherwise you're gonna be fucking having it fall the other way that you don't want it to.
Kind of like this?
Yep.
I
Like that.
You better let it go slow.
Oh!
Get your face out of the way.
Woo!
Sweet.
That was insane.
Dude, that's good shit out of me.
Yeah, he jumped.
I told you I was gonna do some funky shit.
Dude, you seen him? You seen the tree slingshot? It's still shaking. I'm pretty sure Danny's still shaking.
Now saw it down in half.
Just cut it down there at the bottom now, before you burn it up.
Yeah.
Alright, somebody come
Cut
grab
it all the way down.
Dude, that just dude snapped.
There you go.
That was intense.
That's what we do.